Hi, so I'm going to let you know how to download the Bua Na Cainte app, which is a great resource because it has all the games on it. I've just googled Bua Na Cainte. I'm going to click on the home and I'm going to click on download links and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to, here are all the class level, the Windows or Mac. I have a Mac, so I'm going to look for first class. Here's first class, and I'm going to go download. Okay, so if you're using anything that's not a Mac, you're going to be using Windows. So you're going to download here. It's going to look pretty much the same, just not Mac version. So here we just let that download. It's going to say it's going to take 2 minutes. I don't think it's going to take that long though. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Wherever you have your downloads. Okay, and a box like this will come up. I'm going to press continue, continue, agree, continue, install, and then install software. It just runs through this file. Once the installation has completed, it'll say something like this. You can press close, and you can move it to trash. Then this has popped up. It might even have gone full screen. The password has already been in typed out here. So if it hasn't, just let me know. The login is Edco Trial. I think the password is Edco Trial as well. And then you just press submit, and you get to access all the lovely activities that Bua Na Cainte has to offer. You can press play. And we are currently on Cohavimeshire. And here we have all the lessons. So we are working on lessons 8, 9, and 10 this week. Down here we have some songs and poems that you can play. Press home to get back to the main screen. Then we have a story, which is also nice. And then when you're in a lesson, or even here, you can see the games, and you can do there's different types of games here that are all really fun, and the kids love them. And just pressing play.
I want your Neil Tate Skipala Agum.
Okay, and that's it.